Today, we have something truly special for all adventure enthusiasts and motorhome lovers. We're stepping inside the brand new 2026 Luxury Ford Motorhome. Vibrant in white and yellow, with rugged 6x6 long body wheels, this beast is ready to take on any road. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an epic cross-country journey, this RV promises luxury, comfort, and unmatched style. So buckle up, because over the next several minutes, we're exploring every detail, from its powerful exterior to its cozy interiors. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss a second. Exterior front view. Here we are at the showroom, standing proudly in front of the 2026 Luxury Ford Motorhome. Just look at that commanding front profile. The Ford logo shines brilliantly, signaling power and quality. The long-body 6x6 wheels give a rugged, unstoppable stance, perfect for off-road adventures. The vibrant white and yellow paint catches the light, making this motorhome impossible to miss. From the headlights to the grille, every detail screams luxury meets functionality. You can tell Ford didn't just build a motorhome, they built a statement on wheels. Topside view. Now, let's take a bird's eye view. Up here, you can see the thoughtfully placed solar plates, ensuring that this motorhome is as eco-friendly as it is powerful. The sleek antennas and outer AC units are perfectly integrated into the roof design, keeping the lines clean and modern. Imagine setting up camp anywhere and having energy and connectivity at your fingertips. Every inch of this top view combines practicality with luxury, making it clear this is not just a vehicle. It's your mobile palace. Backside view. Flipping to the rear, check out the smart design features. The extra tire is securely mounted, ready for any unexpected detours or off-road adventures. There's also a cycle carrier, perfect for mountain biking enthusiasts or family fun. Notice how all the rear attachments are neatly positioned, ensuring nothing interferes with the motorhome's rugged mobility. The rear design balances utility with style, letting you know that whether it's city streets or rugged trails, this motorhome is ready for it all. Side view. From the side, this luxury Ford motorhome really shines. Here, we have the side tent that extends beautifully, creating a shaded outdoor seating area, perfect for morning coffees, evening dinners, or simply relaxing in nature. The tent is easy to set up, durable, and complements the motorhome's overall aesthetic. The side panels are sleek, and the windows give just the right amount of light into the interiors. This view highlights how the motorhome transforms outdoor living into a luxurious experience. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment. Ford hasn't held back here either. 2 high-definition LED screens, one for navigation and one for the rear view, make driving safe and enjoyable. The ergonomic seats are designed for long-distance comfort, and all controls are intuitively placed for maximum efficiency. The dashboard is modern and tech-packed, letting the driver focus on the journey while still feeling in full control. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a cockpit built for adventure. Sitting and sleeping area. Moving to the living area. This space is incredible. Behind the driving compartment, you have a sofa that converts into a bed, a perfect blend of comfort and versatility. Plush cushions, premium materials, and smart layout make this the ideal spot to relax after a day of driving. You can lounge, read, or even sleep here comfortably. This area truly reflects the motorhome's commitment to making every journey luxurious, whether it's a quick trip or an extended adventure. Kitchen. Next up, the kitchen, compact, smart, and fully functional. Even though it's integrated into the living space, there's a stove, sink, storage cabinets, and countertop for meal prep. The thoughtful layout ensures you have everything you need while saving space. Imagine cooking a fresh meal on the road or enjoying breakfast with scenic view outside the window. It's cozy, efficient, and luxurious, a perfect complement to the motorhome's lifestyle. Washroom. Now the washroom. Surprisingly spacious and well-appointed, with modern fixtures and quality materials. The shower, sink, and toilet are all designed for comfort and convenience, making it feel like home even miles away from civilization. For it's truly thought of everything, ensuring that even the smallest spaces provide a premium experience. Whether you're on a weekend trip or a long expedition, this washroom keeps you refreshed and ready for adventure. Finally, let's talk about the price tag and your thoughts. The 2026 Luxury Ford Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Rugged, luxurious, and packed with tech, it promises adventure without compromising comfort. So, what do you think? Would you take this beast on your next road trip? Comment below, let us know your thoughts, and don't forget, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.